At the highlands of Cameroon in Malaysia, traveling a very beautiful place, waterfall. People are coming to visit this place. Very pleasant weather.